Welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Cheryl. I love all things home decor. I love decorating my home with style on a budget and trying to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you are interested in as well, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. So today I am hosting my summer vignette collaboration, and all I asked the creators to do was to create a tablescape, a coffee bar, a islandscape, any vignette of their choice, but they had to incorporate black and white. My co-host for this collaboration is Bre from Bre's project book, and we are so excited and we can't wait to see what all the other content creators came up with. So my vignette is actually a tablescape. It is a black and white tablescape. It is a modern, glam, sophisticated tablescape. That is the look I was going for. I wanted to have a large white bouquet of roses and green. You guys know black and white are my signature colors. That's what I decorate my home in. And I also use touches of green. And I wanted to put together this beautiful floral centerpiece. And I'm using this black vase that was white that I just chalk painted a matte black to give me the overall look that I wanted. And I'm sorry if you hear the refrigerator filling with water for the ice maker. It's kind of loud, but anywho. So this is the centerpiece and I absolutely love the way it looks. I wanted to have the centerpiece sit in a bed of flowers, and these are white peonies. Again, I am using white and green florals. I love it. I think white and green go really well together, and when paired with black, it just pops. So I absolutely love how the tablescape came out. And let me just tell you a little bit. So the flowers came, the roses, I've shown you those many times. They came from Walmart. They were $3, and I just love their roses. I mean, they look so high-end. And this little green vine also came from Walmart. It was $3. The roses were $3. I am using this dried greenery that I also picked up from Walmart. It came in a pack and it had some dried eucalyptus in it as well. And I have put that in the centerpiece. You can't really tell because I have it so full of roses, but that's where that came from. The vases, these glam vases, I have filled with some white peonies, and the vase came from Ross. I want to say they were like $11.99, but you can see them at Ross, Burlington. I've seen them at TJ Maxx and Home Goods, but they're a lot more expensive than Ross and Burlington, so I would suggest you check Ross and Burlington for those. But yeah, the glasses came from the Goodwill. They were 59 cents. And I always suggest shopping at Goodwill for your dinnerware. It is very inexpensive. So the placemat I actually picked up on clearance from Hobby Lobby. Look at that sheen. I absolutely love it. It was 90% off, and I think these were $3.99 or $4.99, I don't remember. But at 90% off, I paid either $49 or 50 or 40 cents or 50 cents. I don't really recall, but that is a great deal for these placemats, especially because I love the matte detail and the luxe sheen it is giving. The hammer chargers, I picked these up off Amazon. I want to say they were about $40. I will try to leave a link for them down below if I can find them. The dinner plates are just simple white dinner plates, china, that I picked up from the Goodwill. Again, you cannot go wrong with shopping for your dinnerware at Goodwill. The silverware I showed you in a past tablescape. It was the Green with Envy tablescape. These actually also came from the Goodwill. They have this hammered metal that I absolutely love, and it's giving me that glam sophistication that I want. And I paired it with a black napkin. The silverware came from the Goodwill also, and it was like 25 cents per piece. And the napkin came from Amazon. So I think the place setting looks very high-end, very sophisticated, and it did not cost a lot of money at all. So it just goes to show you, if you use a little imagination, you can put anything together, and you can do it inexpensively by using items that you pick up from the Goodwill or thrifting. So I hope you like the tablescape. I do. If you do as well, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you like this tablescape, or if there's anything you would change, or if you would recreate it in your home if you are having a dinner party. I could see this at an elegant dinner in the evening with candles lit. Absolutely love it. So I want to thank Bre for hosting this collaboration with me. Thank you so much, Bre. I love your style. We are so similar. She also decorates in black and white, and she uses pops of red. Her inspiration color, or her just a pop of color that she adds into her home. But I really love her style, and I greatly appreciate her collaborating with me on this video. Hi friends, so I have also decided to show you the vignette that I have going on in my living room. I am keeping my coffee table very simple and just a simple modern aesthetic. These are my black and white items. I have my Coco Chanel book here and my Elements of Style. And of course, you know, I always have to have my glam. So I have my candle holders, and the star of the show is this silence piece. And I first saw this on Bre's channel. It was one of the pieces that she hauled. I can't remember if hers was this color, if it was white. I think it might have been white. And excuse me, I picked this up off Amazon, and it was $35. And I really liked the way it looked. So thank you, Bre, for featuring that in one of your haul videos. I absolutely love that look. So I had to pick up one for myself. So I hope you guys like the coffee table styling as well. And again, Bre, thank you for hosting this collaboration with me. I greatly appreciate it. You are such a wonderful content creator and very inspiring. So my friends, if you like this vignette as well, well. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. If you are new here, like I said, my name is Sheryl. I love all things home decor. I love decorating my home with style on a budget and trying to make it look a lot more expensive. All right, friends, I hope you have enjoyed today's content. If so, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. If you liked the video, I would greatly appreciate if you would leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you liked or maybe what you didn't like, but I hope mostly you liked everything that you saw. And if you are new here and you're coming over from Bre's channel, welcome. I hope you decide to stick around. We both have similar styles. Mine's slightly different than hers, a little more modern, but I think I have a lot of content that you might enjoy. So that's all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye, guys.